Hi, I'm just interrupting in this video, this piece here, because I want to mention another YouTuber. She's been doing it a while. It's Autolass. Now, she's running a competition to win a classic car. First classic car. It's a Morris Ital, 1980, early 80s. Now they are good classics, they're good starter classics for anybody. They're even a great classic for somebody who's in my age. They're a great car, nice bulletproof engine and gearbox, more or less same as a Mini and thingy. Anyway, I'm going to put some pictures up on screen. I'll show you the tickets, what it's for. Now it's very important, it's for the Sepsis Trust. Now sepsis is a killer. It can mask itself in many guises and you don't know. So therefore, as soon as anything wrong, it's always best to ring 111 or whatever it is and get checked. But it is for a good cause. It's for research into sepsis. And she's a great YouTuber. I think she's doing a brilliant job and I think she needs some support. £5 a ticket. Now, I'm a pensioner. I've had a few tickets. I mean, I can't really afford it because I'm restoring myself, but it's only a fiver. Get in there. Let's raise some money for sepsis. And see, this YouTuber is really a good YouTuber. She's got her own garage, and they're doing it off the back of their own art, and that's a good thing. So I'll put some pictures up. Please have a look at it, and if you can, have a bid. Have a ticket. Buy a ticket. Dead easy. I did it, so it's got to be dead easy. Right, I'll see you in a minute. Hello, welcome back to Ford Capri Laser Restoration, Red Restoration, Part 20. Up to date. We come today to fit the wing, so I could just put 2, 3, 4 markers in, so we know when we put the wing back on that it's in the right place. Didn't work out like that. I made a boo-boo. And the wing rail was too narrow, so we got the wing in the right place, went to put the tech screws in, and they were just on the edge of the wing rail on the car and in a wing. So what we've had to do is, I'll just show you. I'm just rolled in another piece on rail, wing rail, so as it takes that extra width. So we'll grind all this down, weld it fully from. So we'll put the wing on, we can scribe down that and cut off what we don't need along that edge, but we'll be assured of getting it right. So as you can see, I'm going very carefully. I do not want to upset the underseal I put on underneath, and also I don't want it to warp to hell, so as it makes life difficult. But yeah, this is the easy way to do it. I suppose buying wing rails at £27 a piece is another thing, but you've still got to weld all along here, and you've got to cut that off, so you've still got to weld all along this place. So when you've got the metal, you've got the panel saved, isn't it? So yeah, it was a tough decision. I could have made a wing rail by taking this profile of the arch over it and then put that on and then just spot welded it to this and that bit. Now make this, cut that out with jigsaw, two strips, and it goes together nicely. So that'll go under there and be welded on. Yeah. So yeah, we'll carry on. I'm not going to bore you with the flash noise, banging and welding. So we'll see you in a minute. And there it is. I'm going to extend the wing rail that much. But it's very strong now, double skinned, very strong. I still don't know whether I'm going to bolt it on or I'm going to just bolt it with two places and then weld rest on. We'll see. Anyway, I'll see you in a minute. Got the wing pegged, it's in position, looking all good. Let's just say that's about as good as it gets with capri. That same look. A minute, let me just pick this up. But life's not without its boo-boos. To be honest with you, I've been a bit overzealous with the bottom thing here, look. That's up, so I've got to cut it off under there. I've got to cut it off here in a straight line. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fix that to it, to the skin, the A panel skin. I'm going to fix that to it, push this into where it is and do a slit disc and just tack it, and I can take it off. I can get it all welded up and ready for a good clean down, then get it all fitted. But as you can see, a bit overzealous with width. I did it off of a piece that come off, but obviously the piece that come off, I've used it and I've measured the outside, which gives it, you'll be surprised, it can throw you out no end. But anyway, we'll see you in a minute. Now the wing is in place. That screw there is just in for a bit, but see, we've got the shape. I've now got to take the front valance off because I need to do some more work, and the work is going to be better off being done on the bench. But as you can see, we've got us locating bolts in. We've got the right distance. The door wants to come up 1/8 of an inch. As you can see, the swage line's not meeting, but if you look underneath, what I've had to do is put it down a sec. Great getting down for all being old age pension. As you can see, yeah, basically what I've had to do, I cut that off there originally because it was a bit too long, weren't meeting. So I clamped that to there, pushed the wing on to where it was wanting to go, put a pencil line on, cut it off, pushed the wing back, tacked it, and I just took the wing off then to finish the welding and get it straight. So there, job's a good one. At least we've saved £156 on a wing, because there was got a lot wrong with this one. It's still a good sound wing. So there you go. So I'm glad that's done. now I've got to fight the good fight and drill all these spot welds out of front balance. So I'm guessing there's about 20. Not a lot compared to the near side wing. I'm sure you all know the answer to that one. It was 42. But anyway, here we go. We're going to have to mirror image, when we go it off, mirror image the front balance, because there's something slightly wrong. So we'll get round to that in a bit. See you in a bit. And here we are, look. Best part of 4 hours. It's a good job I've done it. There's this in here wants some attention, look. So you see it all. Front cross members sound, just the edges. So I've got to go in there with the wire brush, make sure there's no rust. And I must say it's the worst front panel I've ever removed. How the hell they got the spot welder in the places where they did, I do not know. But we'll have a cup of tea in the back cave. And yeah, there is the beast. It's a lot easier to work on when it's on a bench. You sat at one thing you all the time. But yeah, that front cross member, I've got to take that headlight bucket off. That wants some work. This wants some more work. I don't know, I might even look for a pair of new ones, I don't know. So we'll see what happens anyway. I'll talk to you in a minute.